Hey guys!
We are the AJ Dreamers.
And today we will be doing a run through of The Great Escape.
Ooh, so what we're going to do, we're just going to join an adventure, go on normal.
Hello.
Hello to
Hello.
you.
Okay, so you hop.
I'm just going to, you don't need to talk to Cosmo.
You hop.
It says hop and play.
Yeah, well you hop.
Well, I'm hopping.
No.
Hop. Ah, there's a
It
phantom.
says get captured. When do they ever tell us to get captured?
It's like weird. Why do you want to be captured? There's a little thing that you press here and it opens this. Ooh, yay! And then we get some fire.
So I haven't been on this in years.
Well, we've just been through a run through of it, so
just like to remind ourselves of
yeah, because
what we're doing.
so you haven't been on it for years. We went on
No,
it
but,
like the
like,
last minute,
We did it quickly.
and then we are actually videoing, and we had to come off because my dog came in, and then my brother started shouting his name.
Yeah, that was kind of
Just like we're just like, oh, just shut up.
annoying. Yeah, and they kind of ruined it. Oh my god.
The dog ruined
Guys,
it.
I really need to show you something. AJ is torturing us.
Have you seen this? Oh my god, it's the lasers. I'm dead.
Run through it.
I'm dead.
I'll meet you at the torture point.
You try and turn off the lights.
Okay, I'm easy to do.
Wah! Ooh, yay! I'm just gonna stand up here until she turns off the lights.
Done. Done, but I died. I had already died before I turned them off. You gotta show them the torturing.
Yeah, we've got to show you this. Have
Oh
you
my gosh,
seen
it's
what
torture.
Animal Jam has done? This.
There are
There's
founders hats.
There's
There are
rare spikes.
There's gazelle
Founders
horns. Oh my god.
There's just so much
It's
stuff.
just torture. Gosh, man.
It's just
Animal
unfair.
Jam.
It's just cruel.
You know, right? It's just like,
Why do you want to do that?
it's just like, why Animal Jam? Why?
It would be cool if you can unlock that.
Like, come on, there's
You
like
get all
loads
the
of
stuff.
chests that you're missing out on.
We should unlock. Where are you?
Come here. Come on, little monkeys. There's one in this one and then one in this one.
Where?
Not them. The one's like opposite.
Oh, chest.
Have you opened this yet?
50. Then one where? Down here?
And then one up here. So this one here. Ooh, secret door.
What?
Like we're doing all of Animal Jam's work for them.
And then they just torture us.
And then they
Way
repay
to
us
go.
by torturing us.
The best payment ever. I love that payment.
It's just amazing.
There's one in here. Hello. Oh yeah, there is. Secret passage. Ooh, 200.
You got a key?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I've got a key. Yeah.
You gotta open this one. No, open this.
Well, I've opened this
There's
one.
another key inside of it.
Ha ha ha. I've got the key.
And then come down. Come on.
I know where it is.
It's on there. I'll start hopping.
Okay.
Get
Come
away,
on, monkey.
I'm faster than that monkey. Ah,
Come
oh
on,
my gosh, I
monkey.
need the top hat. Hey, Monty, will you give me that top hat? Monty, give me it. Give me it, Monty.
Come on, monkey. The monkey's taking forever.
Yes, Monkey.
Just don't take forever.
Monty, give me your top hat. Everyone's just like,
Bye bye.
hop, and I'm just like, Monty, give me it. Ooh.
Oh, what's this? Where's the
Yeah. Ooh,
I wanna. Oh,
Kata.
we'll go this way. Go this.
This used to be super hard.
Yeah,
Now I can just like run faster. No, we gotta get all the coins.
yeah, of course.
You can't like go to the next level without coins.
Right.
6 more levels. Oh my gosh.
Oh my
Oh
god.
my gosh. This is going to take.
Oh, there's stuff on the stairs. Oh, I want to kill this.
Yeah, you do that one. Ooh. What's this? Oh, we need 2. You kill them while I do this. I think I got
I just collected your money.
Well, we've got separate sets of money on each computer.
Oh my god, this is a hard level.
Going fast. Stop rapidly clicking. Finally. I leveled up. Yes.
I died.
I'm a level 5.
So am I.
Amazing.
Woohoo!
Oh my gosh, I need the keys.
The best discovery ever.
Oh my gosh, hurry up, like
Wow!
No,
I'm
I
dead.
died. Where's the key thing?
I've got it in my hand.
Oh, really?
Yeah. You do it with me then. You do it with me.
Okay. Switching time. Yay! I love switching because this computer is faster.
I'm just gonna kill you.
Ooh.
Keep killing you.
Come on, man. You gotta collect all the money for me. Or, like, destroy the plants for me. So that I get money and courage. Oh, oh. Open the door! Open the door! Turning them off. There
Open
we
the
go.
door. Open the door. Everybody walk the dinosaur.
Switching back. So we've switched back. Okay.
And we've killed most of the plants. So let's go. Whee! This is a very tall tower. I want to kill the plants things.
Shortly after a drink break. There we go.
She's just gonna do it.
I'm all ready. Since I've had my drink.
Yeah, she's just best.
So you said that I was gonna do it.
Well,
Ooh, money! I missed the money.
Where's the money? Where's the money?
You got it.
Oh, yeah. How do you get courage if I did the plants?
I don't know.
That's just unfair.
Ha ha ha. Oh, I
Holy
remember this
cheese.
one. I hate this one.
Holy cheese.
I died.
Yeah, I could see
Do you
that.
want me to control you? So I like yours. Yours is faster.
I
So
died.
you'll be able to-
No, I want to do it myself.
We get to it faster. Oh my gosh, it's gonna die. I need to destroy that plant thing. Are you good at destroying plants? If you are, then join the Dream Team. Dream Team.
Oh yeah,
the dream team.
we are the Asian Dream Team.
We are the Dream Team. Oh my god! No, it's like
Holy
Dream
cheese!
Team.
I got there.
Holy cheese!
Do you want to do me?
Yes. Holy cheese is actually quite nice. It's like
Holy
cheese with
cheese.
folding. It's like proper cheese. It's
Holy
delicious.
cheese. There's also holy cheese where it's cheese.
Okay, let's do this. Ooh, da, da. Shortly after a chocolate break. Yummy. Okay, let's do this.
nearly broke your knuckles.
Yeah. We had Easter eggs and I was trying to smash it, but I kind of like, you just had like, and it kind of smashed. And my fist really hit, so. Anyway. How come you're not getting killed? The light is going through you. Gosh, man. You gotta destroy this plant with me.
Well, I'm dead.
Good.
Why am I good? Why is
Should
it good
be.
if I'm dead?
Should be.
Just like
Oh my gosh. No! No! This may take a while.
yeah.
Okay, we're gonna have a few more tries and then we'll do it off camera. Come on! Come on! I was clicking on it! Alright, one more try.
One more try, and then we'll do it off camera.
Because you guys are probably getting bored now. Oh my gosh, I'm through!
I'm dead.
I repeat, I am through! No! 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 Oh my gosh, I died! No!
If you can do this level, we salute you. If
Yes.
you can do this first try, we salute you.
Oh my
We will
gosh, bro.
literally give you something. I don't know what we'd give you. What
We
would
gotta
we
like
give you?
prove that you can do this.
What would you give us? What would you give us?
A rare item Monday.
No. You give fashion show. When you do a fashion show, you just give people rare item Mondays.
What else am I gonna give him? Oh my gosh, I
I'll
was
give
like
you a
5
one.
centimeters away.
Oh.
Okay, one more try, guys. That doesn't count as my try. That was a warm up. Going for it. Going for it. Yes! Yes! Oh my gosh, yes!
Woohoo! Woohoo! We finally got through.
I'm the
Woohoo!
savior of this,
We
guys.
finally got through.
If you need help, then just call me. I'm
You're dead.
like, don't actually call me. Just like, you know what I mean.
Woohoo! Woohoo!
Okay, now we need to get to the thing. The
Okay.
thing. The door. That's it.
Oh, I'm dead.
I'm at the door. Now I just need to get in. Yes! Yes! I did! Oh my gosh. No! There is a phantom up here. Oh my gosh, I don't like
Wait, I'm
this.
going-
Let's switch a room.
Switcheroo. Isn't it
Switcheroo.
I don't like this phantom.
Oh my gosh, he left me on the last floor. Gosh, man.
I know, I'm mean.
He's done everything for you. Okay, I'm gonna do this. Ooh. It's a thing. It's a thing.
I'm dead.
Thing and a thing. Oh.
What's a thing? I'm on the other floor. That is just unfair.
Ooh,
Why?
what's in here? What's
Have
in
you
here?
seen the map? It looks like a
Wait a minute. I'm gonna use this.
Have you killed all the phantoms?
Yeah.
Good.
Ooh. 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 What's in here? What else is? Yes. Yes. I want to see if there's anything in here. Come on.
No, that's all.
Oh my gosh! I have a monkey. No.
No!
No. No.
We were
Oh,
actually
no.
looking to see if there was something.
No.
We've just got to go to the last level. We just got to do it.
Oh my gosh. I should have. You need to get some bloom seeds.
I've got some.
You need to get a refill, cause. Oh my gosh. Okay, we gotta defeat like the phantom producer things. Them things. You know them things.
There's some up here. Do you know what you do? You just put them in there.
I know.
Do you know how you defeat the phantom things?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Ah! Ah! I'm gonna die. No. There we go. There we go. I need more. I need more bloom seeds.
Oh, it's coming down!
Yeah, I know they do that.
I'm getting some bloom seeds from down here.
There's some up here. Okay,
Yeah.
what you could do is you gotta like get all of them where you are and then just like put
Oh.
a bloom seed down.
Oh, good.
Destroy them all.
That phantom was like
Whoosh.
weird.
Die, father, die. Yes, I killed them all. Don't go on the balcony yet. Get all the money. Get all the dosh.
What do you mean?
Because you gotta go outside on the balcony. 'Cause I killed them all. Firstly, get all the money. Get all the money. Don't go on the balcony.
Get
Why?
all the money, money,
It's
money.
lagging. No.
Get all the money, money.
Monster. No, I
Just
don't
come
want to
here.
talk to Greeley. Get away from me. No, you talk to him. Oh my gosh,
It's a
we'll play like the thing, you know, the
Falling?
thing.
No, Sky. I know what it is. The parachute thing.
Yes, yes, I love that part. I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win. Fascinating. No, it is not fascinating. I don't
What?
really care if the volcano
Fascinating.
is erupting.
Oh,
Yay!
fascinating.
Oh my gosh, yay! Look at me. I'm in the red one. Haha. Kaboosh.
I'm in the blue.
Oh,
It's more like purple. Haha.
I kind of died. Why did I come over here? I don't want to. I got 1 gem. I got 9 gems. Now I got 6 gems.
I don't want to run in commentary, thanks very much.
How many gems have you got? I got 20, 30. I got 34.
Wow!
Now I got 35, 39,
Oh, jeez.
37.
I don't like this.
Oh my gosh.
There's just too many phantoms.
I got 55. I'm beating you, I think.
I've got 81.
I got 63,
You're totally beating me, Ron.
71, 75, 79, 80, 90, 90, 95. Come on, I need 100. 99. I got 99. I got 103. Beat that.
I got 122.
I got 111.
Haha.
I landed on top of you. Haha. Yes, I got columns. I got the thing. Ooh, I'm gonna click bottom
I
right.
got a polluted Graham stash.
Same here. I don't like this.
So,
I don't like this.
so guys,
Okay.
thank you for watching. Please give this
Thank you.
video a thumbs up if you like it, and if you want to see more adventures,
Oh,
comment
wait,
down below.
Wait,
What?
wait, guys. Guys, there's this guy called Splat67, and it's her birthday today. So shout out to Splat67. Search her. Click on it. Search her.
You search her.
Okay,
I don't
so
wanna search.
let's search Splat67. Happy birthday today! Yay! Thank you. Okay, see you guys later.
Bye.
Bye.